Hello friends.
Hello.
So my name is Mani and we have Rishab here today, and he's studying in University of Leipzig, and I'm very happy to meet him because the first time I met him when he came for the visa services with us, and the second time I'm meeting him here along with Mr. Sharma Anshul, and he's studying in University of Leipzig doing bachelors in physics. And he will be giving the introduction first, and then we'll be discussing about the visa.
So, hi guys, I'm Rishab. I'm from Jalandhar, Punjab, India, and yeah, I just reached over here a month back, and although I got my admission in 2021, but I've been doing my course online because of I had some visa delays because each one of us knows that we are having troubles with the visa appointments and everything. So yeah, but finally I am here.
And when he came to us, he just shared a very small story that he came to the embassy, he was dropping their letters over there.
Yep.
And he was not getting any visa appointments, and coincidentally we contacted him and he contacted us, and the things happened, right?
Yep.
And the visa happened very smoothly. And why I wanted to share his story is because he was studying online for 8 months.
Yep.
And when he contacted us, he was like, I'm already studying money, and I'm really in a trouble, and if the things happen, I'll be really grateful. And everything went smooth because he wanted to come here for the double bachelors.
Yep.
He is already bachelorate. If you want to do the double bachelors, means after the bachelors you wanted to come here for the bachelors, your SOP, your reason why you wanted to come here has to be very specific. Otherwise you might get the rejection. So just don't assume, right, I am going to a public university and everything will happen. No, the visa appointment, the roadmap, and then the SOP will play a very important role. If all these things are fine, then only the things will happen. So Rishab, during this journey of the visa, did you face any hassle?
Yeah, there was not one hassle but a lot, not many, one after another. And so.
But with Rcare, I mean to say, they must be thinking that we created some hassles. No, we didn't create any hassle as such.
Till the time I got to Rcare, it was about a period of 2 months, and everything was sorted with very streamlined, and everything was very organized and in a proper chronological order. So yeah, it's been a bliss to be with you guys.
Thank you. No, that's thank you so much for appreciating us. But I think the things happen. That's the most important part. So you got your visa in 2 months, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So please. This is a very important part. There are a lot of students who say, he got the visa in 2 months, why not me? So every case is different, boss. It's not in our hands to get the visa. So, there will be the cases when you're getting the visa in 1 month. There will be the cases when you'll be getting the visa in 2 months. There will be the cases when you're getting the visa in 4 months as well. So there are the cases, the visas are not there in the hand. The visa could not be in the hand of any consultant actually. So you have to keep in mind, because the consultant or a counselor, they have a role to place the file to the embassy. The embassy sends the file to Berlin. The Berlin cross checks. There's a different department in Berlin which cross checks your offer letter and everything, and then they send you back to the India. This is the complete procedures. Now it depends upon the university how much time exactly they are taking to get the revert from the Berlin department, from the university actually, and then this entire data is being sent back to the embassy there in India, and then you get the revert. So it depends upon university to university. So assuming you get the visa in 7 days, you get the visa in 5 days, you get the visa in 4 months. So it depends upon profile to profile. It is important that the roadmap should be there.
Yep.
The visa should be there, the student should be here, right? And can you just share your challenges which you faced with the embassy actually?
Okay, so I said, I've been mailing them consistently. There were no replies. I still remember to this day I have sent 189 emails to embassy.
And you were telling me, Mani, I have this problem. I have dropped this email, and now what to do? I was like, please don't do anything, let us handle, everything will be fine. I remember, so he was when he was started his procedure, he was like, Mani, what to do, yeah, I have mailed this. And I remember your father also called me,
Yep.
can I do this? I was like, no, you don't have to do this. Well, that was something which is personal.
It was kind of an anxiety phase.
Anxiety phase, yeah. I was like, no, everything will fine, you don't worry about it. And those mails really didn't work out. So
it's a kind of a childish way, I'll say, but like I use the email tracker so that I'll know if those guys at embassy or VFS are opening my emails, and none of the emails were being opened. Like that have been sent like 9 months back. So yeah, like they don't see any of the emails, like it's just a waste of time actually.
But that's okay, that's fine, that was a phase and everything went fine. You are here and you are studying well.
Yep,
and you are into the university. So one of the I will not say an amazing part, but it was a struggle that your course was started, you waited for 8 months. He was struggling for 8 months to get the visa appointment. And as he told before, that he was mailing continuously to the embassy to get his visa appointment, and within 2 months your visa was done when he contacted. So within 2 months his date was final, his application was done, and his visa was also done, right? So I wanted to tell to the students, just applying to the universities is not important. It's important the entire roadmap, because if like he applied on his own, he did everything on his own, it's good to have it, but you need to create up a roadmap. Otherwise, staying in India, studying those modules will be very difficult to come here and catch up. Right? And then you're gonna struggle with your time and with your years. So just wasting 1 year means, I personally believe, that you have wasted your 60,000 euros annually.
That's there.
So why to waste
If I
that?
can add one thing to it, like there's a sort of a dilemma in every Indian student that are going for foreign studies, is like we are gonna do everything regarding the visa and the like admission process on our own, and we, like agents like people who help you in this matter, like they normally they're gonna dupe you, or like they're gonna basically like they're gonna falsify you, right? But
you have to be there in the right consultant.
Yeah, exactly. Like you have to be there with the right person, and like instantly with the very first with the very first time you will meet, you will know that either this guy is gonna dupe you or not. And with you guys, like it's been absolutely splendid. I'll say.
Thank you so much, Rishab, and I really appreciate your words. So yes, I believe there are many students who have done on their own. There are students who are struggling. So if you are struggling, you are most welcome. You can contact us, call us, and we would be very happy to help you out. If you can manage on your own, that's also very good, but just create up a roadmap and do not waste your time. And you're most welcome to contact us for masters, bachelors, MD, Ausbildung, or any course which is related to Europe. We would be very happy to help you out. Thank you so much.